I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening a browser and signing into your Epic Games account. This is the only place that changes your Fortnite name on consoles. Once signed in, go to Account General to find your display name field. Make sure you have your preferred new name ready, and check that your console, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, appears under Connections so the change propagates. You do this now because console menus only reflect Epic's central account. Changing there prevents conflicts. Now, click the pencil icon beside display name and type your new name. You must follow Epic's character and length rules, so avoid restricted symbols. Once entered, complete any CAPTCHA or verification prompt and submit the change. Epic often enforces a 2-week cooldown between renames, so make this count. After submitting, you'll get an email confirmation. Open it and confirm if required. Make sure to screenshot the updated display name page for your records so you can troubleshoot. Finally, restart your console and launch Fortnite so the game pulls the updated Epic display name. This forces a fresh sync. If you still see the old name, go back to your Epic account connections, unlink the console platform, wait a minute, then relink it and relaunch Fortnite. That often resolves propagation issues. Make sure to clear the console cache if needed, and if nothing works, check Epic server status or contact Epic support with your screenshot and confirmation email for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.